Over the last few years, there's been a big boom in the indie games industry. Now smaller teams or even individuals can make hugely popular games such as Superhot or Undertale, just to name a few. Unity is the perfect starting point for most developers. This is not because it does everything perfectly. No engine does. But because of its diversity, Unity supports both 2D and 3D games and deploys to both the web, desktop, mobile and console.
Wait a minute! Now I can make GPU!
Two hours later.
Yay!
One eternity later.